Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Dunn. What we're going to be doing in this screencast is we're going to be solving a system of equations again, but now we're going to solve a bigger system. We're going to solve a system that has three equations and three unknowns. Let's get started. So here's the example of the system we're going to solve. X plus y plus z equals 2, 6x minus 4y plus 5z equals 31, and 5x plus 2y plus 2z equals 13. The first thing I'm going to do is label each of these equations so that we can talk about them. So we have equation 1, 2, and 3, and we'll refer to those as I go through this entire screen. And what we're going to do is to solve this system, we're going to use the elimination method over and over and over again. Okay, so to start off, what I'm going to do is choose two of these equations, 1, 2, and 3, two of those, and eliminate one of the variables. So what I decided to do was to take equation 1 and equation 2, and I'm going to eliminate the variable x from these two equations. So to eliminate x, I have to multiply equation number 1 by -6. So that gives me -6x, -6y, -6z equals -12. The second equation stays the same. Now to do the elimination, I'm going to add these two equations together. And I'm left with this equation, -10y minus z equals 19. I'll call that equation 4. Okay, now I eliminated x from equation 1 and equation 2. So what I have to do next is eliminate x from either equation 2 and 3 or 1 and 3. I chose to do it from 1 and 3. So I took equation 1 and equation 3, and I'm going to eliminate x. I have to eliminate the same variable I did the first time so that I end up with an equation that has a y and a z variable in it and not different variables. So to do this, I have to multiply the top equation by -5. So I have -5x minus 5y minus 5z equals -10. I will add these two equations together, and I have -3y minus 3z equals 3. That's equation 5. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take equation 4 and equation 5, and I'm going to eliminate a variable from there. And I decided to eliminate y. So I multiplied the top equation by -3. That's why I have 30y plus 3z equals -57. And I'm going to eliminate, I'm just pulled the other equation over. And I'll add these together, and that gives me 27y equals -54. So y is equal to -2. Okay, solving the system means finding out what x, y, and z are. So we've gotten y. So now what I have to do is find the other two variables, x and z. Well, I can use equation 4 or 5 and what I know about y to find out what z is. So I chose to use equation 4. And I plugged in -2. So -10 times -2 minus z equals 19. 20 minus z equals 19, which means z is equal to 1. Okay, so I have I have z and I have y, so now I need x. So I'm going to take these two values and plug them into either equation 1, 2, or 3. I chose to use equation 1. So I'll plug in y and I'll plug in z and solve for x. And so x is equal to 1. And that's it. That's the solution. Good luck.